This is Martin, aka Martin the Vlogger, and all of you that you have subscribed to my channel and you have the notifications on, you have just been informed that I have uploaded a new video. And maybe also you are expecting that it is the largest BRP Can Am Spyder exhaust and cat delete test done in the world that I have promised you that I will upload on the 2nd of May. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I'm moving this video or this project to the middle of the May. I have very good reason for that, or actually two reasons, and I will tell you about them in a minute. So what you will see in today's video actually is a continuation to the RLS performance and sound test. I still have the RLS Cat Delete on my bike. I have the Akrapovic on my bike, but today we will test the performance and sound with the baffler on and with the baffler off. What you will also see as a bonus, and I haven't done it in a previous video, we will hit the maximum speed and you will see the acceleration in a different gears. Now very quickly to the reason why I'm making this video. Well, first, many of you have asked me if I have installed the baffler or not in the previous video, and if I have run the performance with the baffler on or without the baffler. Also, if I know the difference between baffler on and off. So many times I have used baffler. Also, the last reason was, actually, I have been contacted by Ricky after he has seen the video, Ricky from the RLS Exhaust, and he has suggested, because I really don't know what type of ECU remap I have, because it's obviously not stage 1, neither the stage 2, what it's so called these days. He has suggested to put the baffler on and run the test again. Now very quickly before we will move to the garage, because this is not really a closed road, from the legal purposes I would like to state that it's not me, not my CanAm Spyder, what you will see on the video hitting the maximum speed. Alright? Just saying. Now let's go quickly to the garage. Because I need to install this baffler, I have one simple question for you. Tell me, where do you think this baffler needs to go? I mean, obviously it needs to go where is the cat delete, right? But there are two options. It can go here on this side of the pipe where is the exhaust, and there is only one screw which is like 3 minutes job to do and you're done. Or it needs to go here where are the 3 strings, and if you see the video of the RLS performance and sound test, you know how difficult or how painful it is or how annoying it is to remove those strings. So what do you think, guys? Where Ricky from RLS Exhaust has designed that this baffler needs to go? Of course, I know it's probably about the physics and it just simply needs to go there, but try to get my feelings, try to understand my position. Because of the big test, because I have installed Lamonster pipe, I have installed RLS Cat Delete, again, reinstall the stock catalysator, and again I need to remove the RLS pipe in order to insert this baffler. need to see the whole footage to be able to decide if to keep the baffler on or to remove the baffler. What I really know, over the winter time, I will send my ECU back to the Monster fuel injection, and I will do the stage 2 remap. Definitely I will do that. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Wait for the biggest exhaust and cat delete test, middle of the May. I'm sorry I have to move it, but hopefully you understand. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like, have the notifications on, or hit the dislike, do whatever. But most importantly, remember, always have fun.